morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about design of circuits with logic sequence we are going to do in this particular equipment. Okay, so using your basic electro-pneumatic trainer kit we are going to do this experiment. Okay, so here we have a number of valves, gates available here. So this is your 3x2 push button valve. Okay, so here we have the 3x2 push button valve, two push button is available here. So one is for your input, another one is for your output. Okay, so this is input and output they are given, and FRL unit is available here. So before going for your FRL unit you have to know about the compressor. Okay, so compressor, actually we have the 30-liter compressor is available. The model number is ZC 30 liter. Okay, so here power is 2 HP and voltage is 220 volt they are given. Okay, so in this compressor we have two pressure gauges. One is for your tank pressure we can able to know. So totally 180 pressure, that is kg per centimeter square is they are given as a unit for your pressure. Okay, so once it is comes 80 kg per centimeter square, automatically the supply is going to be turned off. Okay, so this is for your tank. Okay, this one is for your tank, and second your pressure gauge is for your outlet. Okay, so this outlet pressure only we are going to connect it with your that is your trainer kit. Okay, so this is about of your compressor. So compressor capacity is your 30 liter, right? So using this valve we can able to on and off, or else we can able to open and close. Okay, so we can able to open and close your air pressure. Okay, so if you want to, that is 1 minute, pressure full. Okay, the pressure is full now, so we cannot able to operate now. Right, fine. So using this we have to experiment. Using this kit we are going to do two experiment. One is your the single acting cylinder. Using this circuit we can able to operate your single acting cylinder. So this experiment first we are going to do your using your AND gate. So AND gate or OR gate we can able to do. So first I will explain you to do the OR gate circuit. Okay, so what you have to do is first you have to know about the circuit and gates. The logic sequence means you have to know the basic gates details. I will explain you the gates first. Okay, so gates means there is basic gates is available, right? So first one is your AND gate. AND gate means we have two input and one output. Inputs are your there is a and B. I am going to take it as this two is your input. Okay, so this two is your input and Y is your output. Okay, this Y is your output. So A, B, these two columns I am going to take it as your input. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, this is my input and Y is my output. So output means that is for your AND gate, you know very well the formula is Y equal to A dot B. A dot B means we are going to multiply these two inputs, so you are getting the output like this. Okay, so 0 0 0 1. Okay, so this is your output of your AND gate. Similar way for your OR gate also you have two input and one output. Okay, so this two is your input and this is your output. A, B, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. This is my input. For this we are going to use the formula is Y equal to A plus B. Okay, so the formula is A plus B they are given, so that we are getting any one input is on that time we are getting the one symbol here as a output. Okay, that means the motor will be energized, or the lamp is going to be blink, or else the piston is going to be move forward direction or retraction motion. Okay, so that is possible here, right? So this is the output for your OR gate. Okay, so now we are going to discussing about the experiment of your design of circuits with logic sequence OR gate using your electro-pneumatic trainer kit. As as we discussed earlier. So hope you are very familiar with the kit. Okay, so electro-pneumatic kit. So there you are going to do the circuit first. Okay, so aim, procedure, and what are the apparatus is required. So it is available here in the manual. Apparatus required is your compressor, your tubes are necessary to connect the walls and your gates and all, and push 3x2 push button valves and shuttle valve, single acting cylinder. If it is going to do the single acting cylinder means your single acting cylinder we can able to connect. If it is you are going to do with this double acting cylinder we can able to connect. Okay, so the circuit is they are given like this. First one is your compressor, second this is compressor, second one is you are going to connect it with the FRL unit. So FRL is nothing but your filter, regulator and lubricator. After that directly they are connected with the valves. Okay, so 3x2, how they are saying that is 3x2 means here you have the two position, this is one position and this is the second position. Okay, so totally two position is available and how many ports are available? 1 2 3, so totally 3 port is available. That's why they are saying 3x2 valve. Okay, so this is push button symbol is available along with the valve, so that's why they are saying this is your 3x2 push button valve. Okay, so in this particular experiment you are going to use 3x2 push button valve. After that we are going to connect it with your OR gate. Okay, as I said earlier, we are going to discuss about first your OR gate, that is OR gate we are going to connect it, then directly we can able to connect it with your single acting cylinder. The same thing we can able to do your software also. AutoSim software is available. The same experiment you can able to do the simulation using your software name is AutoSim. Okay, fine. So the procedure, first you have to make a circuit diagram. Circuit diagram means this one is your circuit diagram. Okay, right, so this is your circuit diagram and first you have to make your draw the circuit diagram, that is the first one. Second one is connect the compressor air supply to the FRL unit. That's what we does. After the compressor we are directly connected with your FRL unit only. Okay, so any two of the output of FRL unit, any two of the output of the FRL unit is to first connected with your 3x2 push button valve, that is your input, and second 3x2 push button valve is your valve also your input. Okay, so inlet port or else they can able to see, right? So both 3x2 push button valves are your directly we can able to connect it with your output also, right? So after that simply you just check it on once whether you are given the connection is correct or not, and then using your open the hand slide valve, right? So the air passes in the both 3x2 push button valves inlets and press any one of the push button based on your condition. Okay, maybe you are going to use your gate, that is your AND gate or else your OR gate. Okay, so based on the condition the cylinder will be actuated. Okay, so that's what they are given as a procedure here. Okay, so after that you have to write the result. So along with that you must write the truth table also, whatever we discussed as a gate. Okay, so OR gate means you have to write this truth table. Okay, so and then write the result, right? Does the single acting cylinder controlled by your OR gate. Okay, so this is what they are given as a manual. Okay, so now I will explain you how to operate this, right? So first you have to connect, they say that is 3x2 valve, 3x2 valve, 3x2 valve was there. Okay, so first one is compressor. So this is compressor output, right? So this compressor output we are going to connect it with your FRL unit. Okay, this is your FRL unit, right? Okay, so after that we are going to take in the output from the FRL unit. So how many output is required? 2 output. Okay, so that output we are going to connect it with your push button, then 2 input we are going to give to your OR gate. Okay, so OR gate input I am going to give now. So this is your one input and this is another input. So output I am going to take in from here. So that output I am going to connect it with your single acting cylinder. This is single acting cylinder. I am going to connect it with here. Okay, suppose if you want to release this, you have to press like this and then remove your cable. Okay, this is the method of removing the cable. Okay, so once if you want to insert directly you can able to insert, but if you want to remove means you just push like this and then remove it. Okay, fine. So as of our condition, as of now the connection is over. Okay, so for your OR gate you have 2 inputs. So 2 inputs and only 1 output. So now for that reason only I am saying this is your input, two inputs and only one output. That output I am going to connect it with your single acting cylinder. Okay, so as of our concern for your OR gate, if any one input is on that time the cylinder has to actuate, or else the light has to blink, or else the motor is going to be energized, right? Any one input is on. Okay, so let's see whether it is working under that condition or not. Okay, so this is my first input. Okay, so one input, see in the first condition 0 0, on that time it is in the idle position. Okay, now 0 1, in that 0 1 condition, this is 0 0 condition, 0 0 condition, the output also 0. Now it is in the 0 0 condition, the output also 0. Next one is 0 1 condition. 0 1 condition means it has to actuate. Okay, now this is 0 and this button is 1. On that time it is actuated. Okay, next condition is 1 0. Now you know very well this is 1 and this one is 0. Okay, so 1 0 also it is going to be actuated. After that the last condition is 1 1. On that time also it has to actuated. Please listen carefully. Now I am going to push both the button because it is 1 1 condition. Okay, so 1 1 condition also it is actuated. Okay, so now we are actuated the circuit with your OR gate. Okay, right? So thank you all.